Ja, okay, hi, Bronco hier mit dem Thema, wie man auf dem Steam Deck so fast jeden Launcher installieren kann, den es so gibt. Also, ne, guck mal, zum Beispiel wäre hier Ubisoft Connector, da gibt's ja noch Battle.net, dann gibt's noch Rockstar und solche Sachen. Und ja, ich habe da ein ganz cooles Video gefunden. Ich zeige euch das Ganze mal. Warte mal, ich kann ja das Steam Deck hier hinlegen und wir schauen uns mal das Video an. Ich verlinke euch natürlich einen Link in die Videobeschreibung, wo man das Ganze sich dann halt angucken kann. Pass mal auf. Und der ganze, also er erzählt das jetzt hier. Und das ist ein ganz einfacher Weg. Also es kann eigentlich so gesehen jeder nachmachen. So.
So you can see I've got only the EA launcher installed here, so let's dive into how to get a ton more installed, like the Ubisoft launcher or Rockstar or Battle.net, very, very easily. Switch over to desktop mode and open.
Ne, also wo wir zuerst hin müssen, ist halt auf dem Steam Deck Desktop-Modus.
Favorite browser. Go to
Und
Steam launchers
dann
on Steam Deck, up
Browser aufmachen, Google.
and go to the releases section on the right. Click through to there.
Genau, und den brauchen wir hier, diesen Non-Steam-Launcher, weil die meisten Launcher, die ihr euch so runterladet, das könnte sein, dass es so, heutzutage nicht mehr geht. Ja, also das ist einfach zu installieren und das ist halt eine einfache Methode, wie man das Ganze machen kann auf seinem Steam Deck. So.
Download this to somewhere easy to get to. Open up the section from the Dolphin browser where you installed this. Right-click it or long press it and say extract archive here. Then go to the folder. My version was 2.6 when I ran this. Then just run the non-Steam launchers.desktop file, accept the prompt, and now you'll have a list of all of the launchers that you can.
Guck mal, vor allem, wenn man mal guckt hier, was es da alles für Launcher gibt. Also es gibt so Origin, Battle.net, also wenn ihr auch so Diablo und solche Sachen spielen wollt, so.
Previously known as Uplay and the Battle.net launcher. So just click those three and hit OK. If you ever want to clear these off, you can just run it again and hit that Start Fresh button, and it will delete all of the install files for you as well. Now, the Battle.net and the Rockstar launchers open up during the install, so don't be scared of that. Although I did have an issue.
Guck hier, da ist zum Beispiel schon Battle.net. Ja, also wenn ihr so, ich glaube, man kann sogar auf dem Steam Deck auch so World of Warcraft und solche Sachen spielen, weißt du?
Until you get to the Jedi question. Once you get to this section, this is going to restart Steam for you, so contemplate your Jedi question, hit OK, and wait for Steam to restart. Now, due to the branch that I'm in, and because I've fiddled around with the Steam link previously, my Steam does relaunch back into big picture mode, but yours should open up normally. I do find it a bit easier to work in Steam in big picture mode, now that they've made a few of the changes, so if you do want to run the big picture mode, it does make life a little easier. So once Steam's restarted, those launchers that you selected will now be in your Steam.
Siehst du, und jetzt findet man die Launcher hier in sein Steam Deck installiert. Also auch Epic Games und alles, was es so gibt, EA.
Forced to use a specific compatibility tool and set it to Proton Experimental. Once you've done that, I do also find it easier to stay in desktop mode to link accounts. So if you have your browser signed in, for example, then you can use the Google authentication mechanisms, and it just makes this process a lot quicker. Otherwise, you can just log in as normal. Now, I did find that even though with Battle.net I could link through my Chrome browser, when I started it back up later, possibly because I didn't hit the keep me logged in, it did ask me to log back in again. So I had to manually log in, and then it does remember the login. So just bear that in mind with the Battle.net launcher. But all of the others, when Chrome authenticated, did stay logged in. You can see I did the same here with the Epic Games Launcher, and the Epic Games Launcher does require...
Siehst du, guck mal, Epic Game Launcher ist auch da, also alles, was man so braucht, so, ne? Alles, also das sind die ganzen wichtigsten Sachen, wo man so Games und sowas draufspielen kann.
Now, this step is optional, but will really make your library look fantastic. I would also recommend you download the Decky Loader by going to the Decky Loader link.
Ist halt auch krass, was man alles so auf sein Steam Deck so laden kann, sag ich mal, ne? So mit Battle.net und das ist schon krass. Also, keine Ahnung, guck mal. Guck mal, bei Ihnen ist halt auch der ganze Bildschirm voll und sowas alles, ne?
Reset it if you've forgotten it, or Decky Loader, I run the pre-release version because I'm running the beta OS, but you should be fine if you stick with the stable channel. Once that's finished, you can switch back to game mode by hitting the power and log out on desktop mode. Once back in desktop mode, if you have Decky Loader installed, if you press the three-dot menu on the right-hand side of your Steam Deck, then you'll have the option at the bottom here of like a plug icon. Select that, and then in the new menu that pops up, go to the market icon in the top, and you'll see all of the plugins that you can install. There's tons here. We have a whole separate guide on the best ones of these, and I'll link it well in the description. But you want to go down to Steam Grid DB and just click install. Now on your library menu options, you will have a change artwork option, and you can just go and pick the capsule, wide capsule and hero for each of your launchers so that it looks like it's professionally installed. Now you're in game mode. I
Sieht schon schick aus mit Blizzard, ne? Ey?
Is still set to Proton Experimental, as sometimes it does.
Kannst du auch dein Hearthstone und sowas alles drauf spielen, so.
The only extra thing to do is to bring up the Steam menu and go to controller settings and change the controller settings with the button at the bottom, and go into templates and select game with mouse trackpad. This will give you full controller layout in the games once you run them, but gives you the mouse control for navigating in the launchers. However, you will still need to press the Steam button and the trackpad click to emulate the mouse click. Once that's done, you are good to go. Install your games as normal, and if you need to go to a SD card for the installs, it should be mapped to one of the E drives. If you don't see your SD card under one of the extra drives, then just run the auto mount storage script that we've linked in the description below, again from desktop mode with the sudo command, and you will always have all of your storage mapped in any of the third-party launchers. That's it, you're now good to go.
Ja.
Thanks for watching and see you in.
Guck, und so kann man dann auf dem Steam Deck eigentlich alle Launcher installieren, die man braucht. Also so von Rockstar, von Battle.net, ja, Ubisoft und sowas alles. Also nehmt einfach diesen Non-Launcher und so könnt ihr das Ganze installieren. Okay, ich bedanke mich fürs Zuschauen und ich hoffe, man sieht sich im nächsten Video schon wieder.